Hello everyone, this video I will show you a solution. This solution is for the smart hotel room. You can see here is the Home Assistant dashboard that is for smart hotel. This is a room. This video is made for our YouTube fans. He will make the project of the smart hotel. And I will use this A8S board so that is very suitable for him to use this project. So let's look at the first. This we have used the Home Assistant, the software. He is running on our KC868 server. This is install the Raspberry Pi and install the Home Assistant on this one box. So this one box, you will add many A8S board. The A8S board maybe have installed every room. You can see here is floor 1, floor 2, floor 3, floor 4, floor 5. The hotel will have some different floor. And the different floor will have different rooms. You can see such as floor 1, this is 101 room and room 0102. That is set by yourself. So in this demo, I have created this one room. It's for light and for curtain and for room state. Whether have somebody in, that have used this card. This card can detect whether someone inside or someone not inside just by this card. And this is the TV. If you can choose the TV, can support the Home Assistant, will be very easy to remote control or control by your mobile phone and by your PC software. Okay, let's look at the first. You can see here we have defined 4 lights. Maybe you have a room so that you can use 1, 2, 3, 4. And the 4 relay, you can see I can control this relay on off by this PC software. The PC software, maybe you have the hotel installed in the hotel that are managed. You can control this device on and off. And also you can see you can use a mobile phone. We can choose on off. And also you can see here some button. Actually you will install this switch panel. Or install this one, just this one is lock type. And this is for touch, that have 8 buttons. We can also use this switch panel and connect with this DI1 to DI8 that have 8 channel input. So also you can see here is some button for easy to testing. You can see 1 on and off, 2 on and off, and 3 on and off, and until 8 on and off. The 8 is curtain. So we have created the lamp 1, 2, 3, 4. Just 1, 2, 3, 4. This is for this lamp and off. And this curtain, you can see I can turn on this curtain. Every 2 channel relay will control 1 curtain motor. So this have a curtain, and these 2 relay have 1 curtain. So you can see I can turn on the motor and turn off the motor. Just the curtain up and down, or the left or the right. So this is work in interlock mode. So you can see I can turn on this curtain up and turn off. But when this up is turned on, I can turn down. You can see this will be out of. So these 2 switch will not on at the same time. That will let the motor become bad. So this is interlock. You can see I can turn on and turn off, but these 2 relay will not on at the same time. Also you can see here is the curtain 2. You can see I can turn on and up and down, up and down, up and down. So this I have set the interlock work mode. You can see here is some buttons. I can press this button on, and I can turn another button. You can see here the interlock. This button also work with the interlock mode. This button up and the button down. Okay, you can see here is the control for this switch panel and by the software. And also we can see you can let your room have a remote. You can see I can turn on this lamp relay, turn off relay, and this for curtain. You can see curtain up and curtain down. If I turn on the curtain and up, and I can turn down, so you can see work also in interlock mode. That is interlock. Okay, this you can see I can turn on all relay, just turn on all lamp, and this is all curtain is on. But this time we can use this card to detect whether is somebody in and out. You can see I can insert this card. You can see the state is on, so that the manager, you will know this room have someone inside. Because if you remove this card, all relays will be off. You can see relay off. I just let this lamp off. Also, you can control this curtain. It's up to you, set to your ESP home. So you can see I can insert the card, and the light will be on. All light will be on, and the state will be on. And remove the card, the state will be off, and the light will be out of. So you can see here I can insert the card and remove the card, and to save the energy for the lamp. Okay, so you can see here is the one A8 board that can control 4 lamp and 2 curtain. So every room you can install this A8 board that is used by the Ethernet or used by the Wi-Fi. So that's just set to the ESP home. You can see I can, that is A8S, that is online. So you can see here the config file. That is the demo for how to configure the A8S board, and also I have used the RS485 by the Modbus, and some I2C, and output and input. And here you can see there is some like this remote, set every button, key button for the remote. And you can see here the relay 7 and the relay 8, that is for interlock. This just set the interlock, that is for curtain motor. And if you just want to set which relays used by the interlock, that will be set in Home Assistant in the ESP Home YAML file, very easy. So this is an example, and I'll show you, and used by the Home Assistant to make the project. You can have many floor and many room, and the Home Assistant support hundreds of devices, hundreds of light and device to control on and off. So it can use by the smart project. Okay, thanks for watching.